Hello students, welcome to the English Shorthand channel, Shorthand Destination. Now I am going to dictate you on the general matter of 420 words at the speed of 80 words per minute. The PDF of the text of this dictation is available in the description box of this video. So students, get ready. Start. We have discussed the new education policy many times in both houses, and finally it was accepted. Finally, it was accepted by the National Development Council, and then it was also accompanied by a very bulky, very comprehensive program of action. We would like to know if the government is committed to implement that program of action, wherein both the base of the educational pyramid and the top of the educational pyramids have been taken care of equally. Next para. I would now like to say something about science and technology. Equally perfunctory remarks are contained in the President's address. I would like to ask the government, please tell us what you think of the technology missions, drinking water, adult education, oil seeds, universal immunization, and improved communication. These are the 5 missions, and the sixth has also been added. Now, what exactly is the idea of the mission? I would like to take a few minutes to explain what they are. Most of us are from villages. We have tried our best during our political career, public career, to see that drinking water is given to all villages. Each one of us has this experience. We drill a bore or sink a well. Either there is sheet rock or the water is salty. Water is brackish. The water is full of fluorine and is not fit for human consumption. We have large tracts in this country like Nalganda in Andhra Pradesh, where water is not potable, is not really good for health because it is full of fluorine. What are these problems? We have seen in each village this part of the village or that part of the village, that the same non-potable water comes, same sheet rock comes. Now, is this a problem of money? We spent rupees 2 lakhs and rupees 3 lakhs on one single village in certain very hard cases, but still nothing happened. Essentially, the problem of drinking water today is the problem of technology. This is what I want to suggest. It is the problem of technology, finding the technology to blast the rock, going to 1000 feet if necessary. We do not have those machines. They will have to be got. We cannot solve the problem hidebound technologies. You will have to have something for brackish water, something for water which has fluorine in it. All these are now become technological problems, not financial problems, not problems of administration, a tahsildar taking interest or a panchayat samiti president going there and wanting something to be done. Nothing will be done by simple wishes. That's over.